This is a second question from 2021 annual paper of Federal Board. Second short question where we have to find C, and it is given that limit x approaches minus 1 f of x exists, and we have to find C when function is defined in this way. Solution of this question is we find limit. We will apply criterion of existence of limit. We write since limit x approaches minus 1 f of x exists, then by criterion of existence of limit, criterion of existence of limit allows us to write left hand limit equal to right hand limit. What left hand limit is? X approaches minus 1 minus f of x. This is called left hand limit. And limit x approaches minus 1 plus f of x, this is called right hand limit. Both limits are equal. Due to criterion of existence of limit, we can write this. Criterion of existence of limit is applied. Why criterion is applied? Because limit exists. Limit exists, it means criterion is satisfied. So criterion can be applied. Criterion says left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Now look at it. Limit x approaches minus 1 minus f of x. Minus 1 minus means if we can locate minus 1 on real line, all these numbers are less than minus 1. Condition on them is x is less than minus 1. All these numbers on right side of minus 1 are greater than minus 1. Condition for them is x greater than minus 1. So when we approach minus 1 from left side, all these numbers, these are the numbers which we pass by are less than minus 1. All numbers which we pass by, we are getting closer and closer to minus 1 from left side. All these numbers on left side of minus 1 are less than minus 1. This condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied by first definition. It means for left hand limit, we have this definition. X approaches minus 1 f of x. For left hand limit, this is the condition and this will be the definition because x less than minus 1 is written here. It means this is the definition. So for left hand limit, definition of the function is f of x is x plus 2. Limit x approaches minus 1 plus. When we approach f of x from left hand side, this is the notation. When we approach minus 1 from right hand side, this is the notation. This is the notation for right hand side. Look at it. When we approach from right hand side, all these numbers are greater than minus 1. On right side of minus 1, the numbers are greater than minus 1. So when we approach minus 1 from right side, this is the condition, and the definition corresponding to that of f of x is c plus 2. Now we apply limit. By applying limit, x approaches minus 1, so x will be replaced by minus 1 plus 2. X approaches minus 1 from right, value it approaches is minus 1, so we replace x by minus 1. Here there is no x, so c plus 2 appears. This plus 2 is cancelled by plus 2, so c is equal to minus 1 is the value. This is answered. Criterion of existence of limit is applied. This criterion is applied because it is given limit exists. Criterion is applied. Criterion allows us to write both limits are equal. Limits are evaluated. C is found.